Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've last updated my channel with a video, but today I've got this to unbox. I bought this a couple of weeks ago and I haven't used it yet, and I wanted to do an unboxing on the channel. Like I said, it's been a while since I've uploaded something, so I thought why not get back with this little beauty. Just a quick background story on this. At the moment I'm using on my iPad, it's just this kind of plastic, kind of rubbery kind of, case, but obviously I wanted something with a keyboard and and so forth to use, and I could have got the iPad with the Apple Folio. That's quite expensive for me at the moment, and so I decided to look around, and this is what came up, and I got this at the time for £99 on Amazon. So I was quite surprised when I saw it, and I definitely bought it. So for £99, a proper keyboard with function keys, you can't go wrong. So let's just go straight into it. So obviously this is for the 11-inch iPad Pro, the one obviously I've got, and it's obviously made of aluminium. It's got function keys and so forth. So let's just get into the box of it first. I mean, the box is quite nicely presented. Obviously you got the photo, or of what it would look like when it's all done, when it's connected to your iPad properly and everything. On the back there is obviously all the information, obviously unlimited viewing angles, adjustable backlit light, dual connectivity, 12-month battery life. Bit skeptical about that, but obviously that depends on usage. Lightweight aluminium body and limited lifetime warranty. Obviously you've got the different kind of views. You've got the laptop view, tablet view, and the movie view, and also you've got a protective cover at the back. So let's just go open it. This is the space grey colour that I got. I think you get a silver colour as well, but obviously I've got the space grey, so I've got a space grey obviously iPad. So let's just go open it. Okay, that's a bit of a magnet. Okay, that's magnetised. So there it is. There's the iPad, the actual keyboard for the iPad itself. Obviously you've got a little kind of information. Obviously what they've got, the screens and stuff like that you can put on the backlit keyboard and so forth, and the power and whatever buttons. It actually gives a little diagram, obviously what everything does. So there's the keyboard itself. It's nicely packaged. It's quite nicely done actually. I do like it. And you've also got the cable here, which must be obviously the charging cable. Okay, and so it says lift here. Let's just lift from here. So first off, it's got a bit of weight to it. Obviously it's made of aluminium, but it's nicely weighted actually. I don't mind it. It's not too bad actually. I thought it would be quite heavier than it would be originally. I thought it would be much more heavier than this, but it's quite not bad actually. But obviously with the iPad, when you put it with the iPad, it might be a little bit more heavier, considering obviously with the iPad itself plus this might be make it a little bit heavier, but that would be in my review. But other than that, on its own, it's not too bad actually. The keys, they feel really nice actually. Really nice keys. That's really nice. I like that. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a nice kind of little clicking sound, which is really nice. Obviously, and there's obviously the function keys right at the top. Obviously, it's quite nicely finished. Looking at the back, obviously you got the stuff there, got the pads there and everything. So obviously this is where the iPad goes into it, and the hinges itself. So let's just see if I can turn that. Yeah, they're quite rigid. They're not flimsy or anything like that. And yeah, and obviously they've got this kind of nice little rubberized feeling inside. They've got a nice little rubber inside. There's actually one rubber, so it's not individual component, as in maybe something else to keep it together at the back, but it's nicely rubber. And it's quite nice actually. It's got weighted, like I said. It feels very nice. So put that aside. What else in the box? Ah yes, this must be the back case. So this is the back case, obviously, that protects the back of the iPad. So it's got that's a nice little touch actually. That's not too bad. Obviously you've got the Brydge logo at the back there. So that must be a magnet then, obviously. Then we'll just literally just stick on the back of it, and keep the back protected as well. Also, what we've got in here, obviously user's manual, quick start guide as well. So yeah, obviously it tells you to place it flat in there, go inside there and everything, and hold your keyboard down and stuff like that. And you get a sticker in there obviously. And this is just, if I can just get this out here. That's the charging cable, so USB type C. Yep, USB type C, obviously just stick that in there and obviously and off it goes. But other than that, it looks quite nice actually. Let's just move this over there. Let's try and get this actually kitted out actually. Let's get this connected, just see how it looks like. So here's my iPad. Let me just get this out from here. I have to get it out. So get that out of the way. Okay, let's just go to the back. Let's just get this connected. So yeah, that just goes across there. And the keyboard itself. Just push this down. Yeah, that just fits nicely inside actually. That's really nice. I like that. That's just literally sat flush inside the cradle. And that looks absolutely brilliant. The sound it makes is really nice actually. But yeah, all in all, I'm quite impressed actually. And the weight of it obviously does add to the weight now. It does feel heavy obviously with everything added, obviously with the iPad and obviously the keyboard with it. It does obviously make it heavier now. It does feel a little bit weighty, but that's quite a good thing actually. It makes it quite sturdy and quite usable obviously. So all in all, first impressions are really good. I'm actually enjoying this. The keyboard, the keys actually feel really nice. They feel really tactile, and the travel feels really nice actually. But other than that, I'm quite happy with it. But yeah, so that's just a quick unboxing again. I will be doing a review of this after a couple of weeks. I'll use it obviously and see how it is, and we'll let you guys know how I've used it and so forth, how it feels like. So again, thank you for watching this video. If you've liked it, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you want to know anything about comments, and just leave, if you know anything, just leave a comment in the information at the bottom, and I will reply to the comments as well. So until next time, stay safe.